Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender, a powerhouse appliance designed to elevate your blending experience. Equipped with a robust 2.5 horsepower copper motor and patent-pending laser-cut stainless steel blades, this blender effortlessly tackles even the toughest ingredients, ensuring a smoother, creamier blend with less oxidation. Its BPA-free, stain-resistant 64-ounce Tritan jar and heavy-duty metal gears are built to withstand the test of time, making it the last blender you'll ever need. With NSF certification, the Infinity Blender meets professional-grade standards, proving its durability and reliability in both commercial and household settings. Enjoy the convenience of intuitive digital controls that allow you to make on-the-fly adjustments to speed and blending time, giving you complete control over your culinary creations. Backed by a 10-year warranty, this blender promises peace of mind and performance that lasts a lifetime. So, whether you're crushing ice or crafting the perfect smoothie, the Nuwave Infinity Blender is your go-to kitchen companion for decades to come. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.